Today I will share with you how to install overweight bulletproof glass. It's 4 cm thick. Let's take a look at the installation site. This is the installation position. I can't stand up because it's too heavy. Let's take a look at how our installers install it.
In my head, the war is off head. My mom will say, let go. I want love and instead wait on the bed. Baby, I'll be there in two. All those thoughts in my head, the war is off head. My mom will say, let go. I want love and instead wait on the bed. Baby, I'll be there in two. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey. Hold on, don't let go. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey. Hold on, don't let go. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey.
Now we've moved the glass to the installation position. We talked about how to install it.
Stop to compare another woman to you. It's not fair. I just wanna be there with you. All the stuff in my head pulling me back. I just wanna dance with you. Girl, you're stuck in my head. Love when you bend. Love feeling so brand new. All the stuff in my head pulling me back. I just wanna dance with you. Girl, you're stuck in my head. Love when you bend. Love feeling so brand new. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey. Hold on, don't let go.
It's installed here. The installation is now successful.